Alright, this is my 1960 John Deere 1010 backhoe. As you can tell, it's got years of caked on grease on it. I really want to paint this thing. I got some John Deere spec yellow. This should be here any day now. But before we get there, I got to get this grease off of here. And I've actually already tried hitting this with the power washer. The problem is this grease is just so caked on from years of just the hydraulics leaking and the boom leaking. So Zepp sent us this industrial purple degreaser, and it's the kind of cleaner you dilute. It comes in a concentrated form. Mix it up in this spray bottle because we have such a large surface area to cover. And basically what we're going to do is just spray this all down, wait about 5 minutes, and we'll get the power washer out here and start blasting this stuff off and see how well it does. Look how well that grease is dripping off, just 1 minute of it being on there. This stuff worked awesome. Look at some of the before photos. There's all this grease inside of here. I couldn't get out. I had actually used that pressure washer a few more times before this. Couldn't get the grease off. It was just so caked. And you saw when I sprayed that stuff on, it immediately started running down. All this black here is actually just paint flakes coming off. So what's nice too is it took off like a lot of the loose paint that was kind of half on, half off that the pressure washer couldn't get. Kind of got under there. And now all these hard to reach spots that I need to paint to prevent this from rusting are all degreased. And now we can, once this dries up, we'll prep it for paint and get some primer on there and get ready to paint it classic John Deere yellow. Zepp, thank you for sending this industrial degreaser. It did a great job at cutting all the grease off. We could get that removed for paint. I can't wait to use this on the rest of the build. Something about having a clean and painted tractor or vehicle really gets me inspired to finish the job. And we still got to free the engine on this thing, and we got a few more videos coming out on that. But thanks Zepp for getting us there and inspiring us to finish this build.